Ready to dive into a world of books, hassle-free? Let's unlock the Rakuten Kobo App together. First, locate the Rakuten Kobo App on your device and tap to open it. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. You'll land on your library page, showcasing all your downloaded books. See something you want to read? Just tap the book cover. The book instantly opens. Swipe left or right to turn pages, just like a physical book. Tap the center of the screen to access the reading menu. Here, you can adjust the font size, brightness, and even switch to night mode for easier reading in the dark. See that font size icon? Tapping it lets you customize the text to your liking. Make it big or small, whatever works best for your eyes. To return to your library, tap the back arrow in the top left corner. To find new books, tap the Discover tab at the bottom. You can browse by genre, check out bestsellers, or search for a specific title. Use the search bar to quickly find books you're looking for. Simple as that. Tap on a book cover to see more details, read a synopsis, or even download a free sample before you buy. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the Rakuten Kobo App and dive into your next reading adventure. Happy reading!